Ciao ragazzi, we haven't met for a few days now because I was in Belgrade in Serbia and I strongly recommend to visit that city because it's amazing. But here we talk about grammar, Italian grammar. So let's go back to our lovely grammar, Italian grammar. Last time we were talking about irregular verbs like andare, venire. Well, we have a lot of them, and I hope you practice some of them. Today we talk about special verbs, the so called modal verbs o verbi modali in Italiano. I verbi modali, modal verbs, are potere, volere, dovere. So potere is can or be able to, dovere is must or have to, e volere is want to. Like in English, they are called modal verbs in English as well, and they are used a bit differently than normal verbs because we conjugate the verb and then we had another verb, an infinitive verb. For example, we say in English, I can drive. In Italian, we say, io posso guidare. So in Italian is a bit more difficult because we always change the conjugation based on the subject, the pronoun. So io posso, tu puoi, lui, lei può, noi possiamo, and so on and so forth. But then the second verb always stays in the infinitive form. So io posso mangiare, io devo uscire, I have to go out, io voglio giocare, I want to play. So it's very easy in the end. If we remember the conjugation of the modal verb, potere, volere, dovere, then we add the infinity of the second verb, and that's it. Then, of course, we can conjugate them in different tenses, not only present, can be future, past, well, they are verbs, but the difference is that they work in a slightly different way than regular verbs, let's say. So, once again, they are called verbi modali, potere, dovere, volere. If you have any doubts, as usual, leave a comment or send me an email. I hope that you are enjoying these videos. Once again, I am Francesco Volpi. I'm an Italian teacher. I have been teaching Italian for almost 10 years to students from all over the world. So if you are looking for a teacher, an Italian teacher, to learn Italian from scratch or to polish your Italian, well, contact me and we can arrange a trial lesson. But anyhow, I'm enjoying recording this video for students in general, not just my actual students. So, see you in the next video. Buon apprendimento, buon pomeriggio e se avete domande scrivete e ci vediamo la prossima volta. Ciao!